Hello Blackbirds, this is Iuli. Today is the 5th of May and this is around 10 p.m. at night. I've decided to do this little movie because last week year 5 we're looking into the different phases of the moon. Tonight the moon is 95% full, which means it's in its last stage of the waxing gibbous phase. This also means that tomorrow it will be a full moon, but tomorrow is not just going to be any full moon. Tomorrow is going to be a super moon, and that is, the moon will be at its closest to Earth for the rest of the year. So if you want to see the moon tomorrow, go out onto your balconies, onto your gardens, out of the window, and if you have any binoculars, that's even better, and have a look around and see what you can see. So let's give you a little bit of a tour. These dark patches over here, they're called mares, and that is in Latin and it means sea. So I can't zoom in any more here, but sort of the dark patch in the middle and sort of going down a bit, that is the Sea of Tranquility, where Apollo 11 landed on the 24th of July 1969. Many of you will have heard of Neil Armstrong. Can you have a look and see if you can find who the other two astronauts were that traveled on that mission? Here's a little fact for you. There have been many missions to the moon, but only 6 missions have had astronauts on board. And there have been a total of 12 people that have walked on the moon. Yes, 12 people. The last mission was Apollo 17, and that was in 1972. One of the astronauts that traveled on that mission was a scientist, and he said the lunar surface is very rocky, but also is very, very dusty. It has such fine dust, almost like flour, and one of the astronauts became very, very, very allergic to it. Over here at the bottom, this circle, it's a crater which was caused by an asteroid impact. It is about 108 million years old. It is not the biggest. It is quite small actually in terms of craters. It is 86 kilometers in diameter and just under 5 kilometers deep. The biggest crater in the solar system is on the moon. It's located on the South Pole, and that one is called South Pole Aiken, and I think it's about 290 kilometers across. So this one is quite little in comparison. Anyway, I hope you enjoy my little movie. Please have a look tomorrow and see what you can see, and I'd love to hear your thoughts. Bye, Primrose Hill.